Hello student, today I am going to derive an expression of deviation produced by a prism of a small angle. You see the diagram, ABC is a prism, PQ is the incident ray of light incident on face AB at a small angle of incidence I. After refraction at point Q, the ray of light bends towards normal. So this is the normal, it bends towards normal. So R1 is the angle of refraction, which is also very small angle. Now QR incident on face AC at an angle R2, which is also very small angle. And after refraction on face AC, the ray emerges out and moves away from normal. PQ is the direction of incident ray. This dotted line is the direction of incident ray. While this emergence ray RS drawn in the backward direction, it intersects at T in the direction of incident ray. So the direction of incident ray and emergent ray makes an angle that is called angle of deviation. Now for refraction at face AB, we have refracting index according to Snell's law n equal to sine I by sine of R1. Since angle of incidence is very small, sine I equal to I, angle of refraction also very small, so sine R1 equal to R1. So that is we can I by R1, hence I equal to n R1. Again for refraction at face AC, we have n equal to sine of E by sine of R2, that is E by R2. So E and R2 is very small angle. But here angle of emergence written first because we are writing ray of light replacement reactive tensor. Therefore E equal to n R2. Hence deviation produced by the prism del equal to I plus E minus A. Del equal to I equal to n R1 and E equal to n R2 minus A. Del equal to n common R1 plus R2 minus A. Del equal to R1 plus R2 we can write as A angle of prism, A minus A, del equal to A common, so n minus 1 A. This is the required expression. One angle of incidence, very angle of incidence R1, R2, angle of emergence, very small angles. For a small angle, ultimately for small angles of a prism, this relation is there. Del equal to n1 minus del equal to n1 minus 1 A. Now I am going to discuss angular dispersion and dispersive power. Angular dispersion and dispersive power. What is angular dispersion? The angular separation between the two extreme colors, violet and red, in the spectrum is called angular dispersion. Angular dispersion del V minus del R. You see the deviation produced by violet light and red light. So difference between violet deviation produced violet and red is called angular dispersion, that is del V minus del R. You see the diagram. So del V by del V minus del R. So we can use del V is del V equal to NV minus 1A and del R NR minus 1A and del equal to N minus 1A. Therefore, del V minus del R equal to, we are putting the value NV minus 1A minus NR minus 1A. So NV will be cancelled. So NV minus NR, this is called dispersion, angular dispersion. This is angular dispersion. Now dispersive power, it is defined as the ratio of the angular dispersion to the mean deviation. So dispersive power angular dispersion mean deviation. So angular dispersive power denoted by omega. Angular dispersion del V minus del R and mean deviation del. So omega equal to del V minus del R is NV minus NR. A just now we have derived, and del equal to N minus 1 A. A can cancel, omega equal to NV minus NR N minus 1. This is the dispersive power. Thank you.